Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise from your audio recording by Audacity uh, software. So let's get into it. Open the software, Audacity, and then import the audio. I have a sample audio which I have created with some genuine background noises. So okay, this one. Okay, now I'll let you listen to the audio with the background noises so you can um, assess the after effect. Okay. Hello. Um, so this is a sample audio to check the noise, background noise. So as you heard that there was a lot of background noise, so what I will do is I will select the part where I was not talking. For example, like here. Okay, this part. Okay. After selecting this part, I will go to Effect, and then I will click Noise Reduction. Okay. There is two steps. Step 1, that is to get the noise profile which I have selected, and then step 2 is the desired effect you want in your audio. So there is noise reduction in decibel, sensitivity, and frequency smoothing. The main function is the noise reduction in decibel. If you increase it in the slide it to the right, more background noise will be removed, and it has some breaks. Some of your vocal may also be removed, so it must be somewhere in the middle, like 30. Okay. And this sensitivity, if you increase it, you have to reduce the noise reduction because it's actually inversely proportional. If you think, because if you increase the sensitivity, the noise reduction has to be slided to the left. Okay. And another thing is you want the sensitivity to be lower than this 6 or 4, because otherwise that will give you a weird noise. Okay. And the frequency part, you have to keep it above something 6 or 4, because or in the middle, because if you keep it low, it will give an effect like under the water type effect. Okay. And the sensitivity, if you reduce it, it gives a weird hissing effect. So we will keep this sensitivity in 6, frequency reduced to 6 as well, and noise reduction is 30 is okay for me. But I would like you to experiment with your audio, because it may be different in your case. Okay. It's no hard and fast rule. Okay. Now after setting this, I'll click Get Noise Profile. Okay. So I have clicked. Okay. Now what I'll do is that I will select all of the audio recording. To do that, you can press Ctrl A, or you can go to Edit and then go to Select and then click All. Okay. Now what we'll do is that I'll click effect, and then I'll click this option, repeat noise reduction. After clicking this, you can see that all the noise will be reduced. Okay, so you can see that it's a different graph. Okay, then listen to the uh, audio recording.
Hello. Uh, so this is a sample audio to check the noise, background noise.
So as you can see that almost there is no background noise. So this is a very useful uh, software to reduce the background noise. So I guess this is the end. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and share it. And if you need more updates, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.